Welcome to ChopChopChef. I got your attention. Very good. Okay, today you and me, we do my version of a kangaroo loin, right? Kangaroo meat, something new. Yeah, so I have have a look at this beautiful kangaroo meat. You know, it's as well super lean, right? There's no fat on it. I tell you, I didn't trim anything off. That's what it is. Yeah. Again, one of the leanest meats what's around there around the world. Kangaroo, and I have obviously with the kangaroo, I have a little bit of a wattle seed spice which I season it, salt and pepper, and I put it on my barbecue, right? But when you do this one, because the kangaroo is so lean, right? You cannot overcook it, right? So I have mine say medium rare to medium. Yeah, if you have a probe, I would say 58 to 60, 62 degrees, not more. Right? We grill it on the barbecue on all sides, let it rest for 5 minutes, so all the juice and all the goodness stays inside, right, when you slice it, and then we present it. All what I have done today, a little bit, later on for the presentation, I have a little bit of Brussels sprout leaves only, which I will saute on with some bacon dips. I just made this morning sweet potato puree, and I have a beautiful fig and blueberry glaze. Yeah, maybe some eggplant. Okay, first thing first. All right, we're having our kangaroo loin. Yeah, we season it nicely with the wattle seed dukkha spice. Yeah, like this, beautiful, and then obviously it needs salt, a little bit pepper. Make sure we do this on all sides. Absolutely. Okay. Yeah, so look at this, nicely marinated. Yeah, and now I'm putting nice olive oil over it for grilling. Okay, yeah, again, make sure we coat it nicely in the thing. Okay, and now we're going onto the barbecue, grilling it on each side, say 3 minutes, 3-4 minutes, have it nice. I want to have it nicely medium rare to medium, all right? Okay, let's go outside. Okay, as you can see, my barbecue is easy 250, 300 degrees, right? Nicely beautiful. And now we're taking this baby and put it nicely on here. All right, so as I said, on each side, nicely 3-4 minutes, yeah, and off we go. Okay, so we got 3 minutes on one side. All right, let's turn this baby around. Oh yes, look at this, beautiful, nicely charred. Yeah, that's what we want, you know. Look at that. Okay, 3 minutes on that side, eh? Okay, so our kangaroo loin is now, 8 minutes on the grill, right? Or 10. I put as well a little bit baby eggplant on there. And I now obviously take the meat off the grill. And as I said, remember, it has to rest for good 5 minutes. But look at this, we seal it all nicely on each side, right? Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, ouch. So that's what we want. Yeah, now I take it off, let it rest here for 5 minutes, you know, and then we slice it up. All right, see you inside. All right, so our kangaroo loin rests now nicely for 5 minutes. And as you may noticed on my barbecue, I had this beautiful baby eggplant, right? So I drizzled them with a nice, good olive oil. Yeah, so the olive oil can immerse into my little grooves what I put in there, a little bit cracked pepper and salt, right? Let this kangaroo rest for a little while. And what I have prepared today, just for the presentation purposes, you saw this one, my little Brussels sprout leaves. Yes, I want to have them nicely charred, yeah? Don't say, oh, he burned everything. That's the purpose, right? And I had some bacon bits, yeah? And so they will go kind of all over the place as a base then, right? Easy, easy, easy done. Okay, okay, okay. And then remember we have this beautiful sweet potato puree. Yeah, we're putting a dollop on here. We are not too shy on this one. And then what I always do, obviously, yeah, I smear them around. Yeah, so I take my spoon and go. Okay, so ready, set, go. I start in the middle, slow motion. I hope I can do slow and to the camera's liking. Look, that's what we want, right? So very nice sweet potato puree. Yeah, a few more leaves. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And now the moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. We're coming over here. We have our beautiful, beautiful loin, right? Let's rest for quite some time. Obviously the end cut, this one is because it's a little bit thicker here, so this one will be a little bit well done. So I start straight away here. And let's see. Oh, so nice. Beautiful, beautiful. That's what I wanted, right? So we do 3 nice slices. Yeah, nice. So good. 2, 3. And that's what we present now. We take this one and present it nicely on our platter here. Look at that, look at it, look at this. Yeah, and then I promised you as well, I have this beautiful blueberry and fig glaze, yeah, which I've just put a little bit over here. And then we drizzle some of our glaze over in our sweet potato puree. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this. That's what we want. Yeah, so simple. Today, for you to enjoy my version of a grilled kangaroo loin with sweet potato and Brussels sprouts and a blueberry and fig glaze. Thank you so much for joining me on ChopChopChef.